Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, Mr. Rhino 3D. In this tutorial, I'm going to model a parametric clock with simple commands and just in Rhino with no Grasshopper. Let's model a beautiful parametric clock. Draw a circle as the base of the clock. Draw a 10 by 10 rectangle. With a point, mark the center of the rectangle. Extrude the rectangle by 100. Draw a polyline in the middle of the box. Use the twist command. Select the start of the twist axis and then the end of the twist axis. Check infinite to yes for a better twist. Use the contour command for cross sections. Choose the direction of the contour. Set the distance between contours to 0.5. Make the contours into a group. Use flow along curve. Select the object. Check the stretch option to yes. Select the base curve, the polyline in the middle of the box. Then select the target curve. Offset curve to draw the base of the clock. Use a planar surface to create surface form curves. Use the planar surface again to create a surface to split the bottom part. Use the split command to cut the bottom parts. Hide the extra parts. To thicken the surfaces, use the offset surface command, and check the both sides option to yes. Now the model is ready, just need to add ribs to fix it to the base. I use the offset curve command to set the boundary. Draw a rectangle at the bottom of the model. Extrude it and make it solid. Then use array polar and copy it 200 times for the bottom of each part. Use the select last command and select all the parts. Then use Boolean union to unify them. Time to add some thickness to the base of the clock. Use an offset surface for it. Check both sides option to no. Select the unified objects and copy to the clipboard by using Ctrl and C. Use Boolean difference to subtract the clock parts. After that, paste them from the clipboard by using Ctrl and V. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy watching this tutorial, watch the rest of the episodes. Please subscribe. See you in the next tutorial.